Hi, welcome to the another session of probability and random process. You see that here in the previous session we have completed one problem in the Baye theorem based on the Baye theorem, and then you will see now one more problem in the Baye theorem idea. The problem question is that for a certain binary communication channel, the probability that a transmitted 0 received as 0, a transmitted 0 received as 0 is probability is given 0.95, and that the probability that a transmitted 1 received as 1, the probability is also given 0.90. The question is that if the probability that a 0 is transmitted, that probability is also given is 0.4. Find the probability that a 1 is received. They are asking that what is the chance that 1 is received. Another condition is that a 1 was transmitted given that a 1 was transmitted given that a 1 was received here. Given that 1 was received here. You see that here, already you know that here. Here already 1 was received. What is the chance that it was by transmitting 1? That is a question they are asking here. 1 was received. What is the chance that it was by transmitting 1? That is the question asked here. Similarly, the previous substitution, generally they are asking that a 1 is received here. A 1 is received. So based on these two conditions, these two substitutions here, you can identify that what will be the common event here. What will be the common event E? Can anyone? Yes, common event E is nothing but receiving 1. Common event E is nothing but receiving 1. Therefore, receiving 1, it is possible by two ways here, with the help of two events here. By transmitting 0 also, you can receive 1. By transmitting 1 also, we can receive 1. By transmitting 1 also, receive 1. Therefore, what are the different events here? Transmitting 0, one event. Transmitting 1, that is another event. What will be the common event? Receiving 1 here. Receiving 1. This is the common event here. Therefore, based on this condition, now we can solve this problem here. If we consider the solution of this problem here, what are the different events we can consider here? A1 will be transmitting 1, transmitting 0 here, that is the event A1. And A2 is the event transmitting 1 here, transmitting 1, that is the event A2. And E is the common event. What is the event E here? Receiving 0, receiving 1 here. They are asking that receiving 1, that is a common event E. So you have to see the probability of these probability for these values here, probability of A1. What is the transmitting 0 here? What will be the transmitting 0 condition here? You see that here, transmitting 0 condition. You see that here, if the probability that a 0 is transmitted, probability is given here 0.4, but 1 transmitted probability is not given, that will be the complement event here. That will be the complement event. Therefore, 0.4, transmitting 0, probability is given as 0.4, implies probability of A2, you can consider as a 1 minus 0.4 here. 1 minus 0.4, it will be 0.6 here, 0.6. Similarly, we have the probabilities for, we need the probabilities for, suppose a 0 is transmitted, what is the chance that a 1 is received here? Transmitting 0, 1 is received here, probability. Transmitting 0, 1 is received probability, that is also we need here. And then this will be identified by transmitting 0. Transmitting 0 received as 0, that probability only given, that is 0.95 here. But transmitting 0, receiving 1 will be complement of this one here. Therefore, this will be 0.05. This will be 0.05. That is given as 1 minus 0.95. It will be 0.05. Similarly, we have a need of another probability that P of E given A2. P of E given A2. By transmitting 1, receiving 1, transmitting 1, receiving 1, 0.90. It will be the probability that 0.90. The probability will be 0.90 again. In the first subdivision, they are asking that what is the chance that probability that 1 is received again. 1 is received. The chance that 1 is received. 1 is received means receiving 1, this is E here. Therefore, we can see that probability of E. Probability of E by total probability idea, this is from A1, I2 also it is possible here. Therefore, A1 into E given A1 plus similarly probability of A2 into E given A2 into E given A2, that is also possible here. Therefore, A1, A2 probabilities are already you know that here 0.4 E given A1 it will be 0.05 plus similarly A2 is probability 0.6 into E given A2 will be 0.90. Then multiplication of these values, that gives the answer as 0.56. 0.56. This is subdivision number 1. What is the chance that a 1 is received here? What is the chance that 1 is received here? Then they are asking that another subdivision, that what will be the subdivision they are asking that here 1 was transmitted given that a 1 was received. A 1 was transmitted given that 1 was received here. 1 was received, that is already known thing here. 1 was received. What is the chance that it was by transmitting 1 here? Transmitting 1. Transmitting 1 means we can use the idea of A2. A2 given E. Therefore, by Bayes theorem, what is the idea? We can use the probability of A2. E given A2. E given A2 whole divided by summation of all the probabilities here. Otherwise, you can write directly as a P of E. P of E is also you can write here. Otherwise, you can write it as P of E given A1 plus P of A2. P of A2, P of E given A2, P of E given A2, that is also we can write it. Otherwise, it will be P of E. Probability of A2, that value is given by, already you know that the probability values here, probability of A1, A2 and so on here. In the previous page, you can get that A2 is 0.6 and then 0.90, 0.6 and 0.90, 0.56. In that thing you can get that here. It will be 0.6 into 0.90 and whole divided by P of E value here 0.56. Therefore, your answer will be 0.9642. 0.9642. This idea we can get that. What is the chance that already 1 was received here? What is the chance that it was from transmitting 1 here? Transmitting 1. This is the idea we can get that here. Therefore, in that manner you can use the solution for this problem. And then you see that here next problem, that is also somewhat interesting one. You see that here next problem, that's problem number 8. A bag contains 5 items and it is not known that how many of them are white here. A bag contains 5 items and it is not known that how many of them are white. They have given some more condition that 2 items are drawn at random from the bag. 2 items are drawn at random from the bag and they are noted to be white here. Therefore, bag contains 5 items, but you don't know how many of them are white, but 2 items you have drawn, identified that they are white here. Then they are asking that what is the chance that all the items in the bag are white here? What is the chance that all the items in the bag are white here? What manner you can approach this problem? With the help of Bayes theorem. 2 items already taken, but you don't identify that 2 are white here. What is the chance that all the items in the bag are white here? Oh, what manner you can approach? Yes, already you know that 2 are white here. Therefore, you take the A1 as the event of 2 items in the bag are white. A2, in that manner you can proceed here. E is a common event, that is drawing 2 white items here. In that manner you can get that. Therefore, for this problem, the solution can be approached in this way. A1, the bag, 2 items in the bag are white here. 2 items in the bag are white here. 2 items in the bag are white here. That is A1. A2, in the same manner you can write here. 3 items in the bag are white here. Similarly, A3, 4 items in the bag are white here, and A4, 5 items in the bag are white here. 5 items in the bag are white here. Totally 5 items only. Therefore, we can move up to the events A1, A2, A3, A4 here. And what is the common event E here? Drawing 2 items. Drawing 2 items. 2 white items here. Drawing 2 items. Therefore, they have, but they have not given the probability values here. For 2 items in the bag are white, 3 items in the bag are white. For 4 different events we have approached here. Therefore, we give equally likely cases for happening of the probability here. Therefore, probability A1 1 by 4, A2 is also 1 by 4, A3 is also 1 by 4. Give equally likely chances here. And A4 is also 1 by 4. A4 is also 1 by 4. Then you need of the probability values of, suppose 2 items in the bag are white Therefore, then drawing 2 white items here, totally the bag contains 5 items here, therefore 5C2, but already 2 items in the bag are white here, therefore drawing 2 white items, 2C2 by 5C2, therefore you can get the value as a 1 by 10. Similarly, probability of E given A2, already 3 items in the bag are white. What is the chance of drawing 2 white items here? Therefore, 3C2 by 5C2. In that case, you can get it as 3C2 by 5C2. It will be 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Similarly, we have the values of E given A3 also. 3E given A3. The same idea we can get that here. What manner you can get that here? 5C2 totally. But 4 items in the bag are white here. Therefore, 4C2 by 5C2, you can get 3 by 10. You can get 3 by 10. Similarly, probability of E given A4, the same idea. All the 5 are white here. Therefore, 5C2 by 5C2, you can get it as a 1 here. 5C2 by 5C2, that you can get it as a 1 here. That you can get it as a 1. This will be 3 by 5, not 3 by 10. It will be 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Therefore, that manner you can get that here. Therefore, if you use this probability value, the question is that 2 items are white. 2 items are white. They have drawn here. They have drawn 2 items are white. What is the chance that all the balls in the bag are white? What is the chance that all the items in the bag are white? All the items in the bag are white here. That approach is very simple here. Therefore, 2 items are drawn. Based on that, all the items in the bag are white here. Therefore, 2 items are white here. That is already happened. What is the chance that all the 5 means A4 given E. A4 given E. Therefore, you can write it as probability of A4 and then E given A4. E given A4 and whole divided by, you have to consider all the 4 items probability here. I equal to 1 to 4. Probability of AI into probability of E given AI. E given AI. All the 4 events probability you have to consider. Then what is the thing you can substitute 1 by 1. You can substitute all the values here. It will be 1 by 4, and then E given A4. E given A4 will be 1 here. E given A4 will be 1, and then whole divided by 1 by 4 into 1 by 10. 1 by 4 into 1 by 10. Plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 10, and plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 5, plus 1 by 4 into 1, 1 by 4 into 1. Your answer for this problem will be 1 by 2. It will be 0.5. That will be the chance. So, what is the chance that all the items in the bag are white? All the items in the bag are white. That will be approached by with the help of Bayes theorem in this manner here. And then you can get that value of the probability chances will be 1 by 2, that is 50% chances are there. And you will see some more problem in the next session, and then have a nice day.